Hello everyone, I hope you are well. In today's video, we will see how can we create online tools using ChatGPT like spell checker. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about how can you create organizational charts using ChatGPT? If you are new here, I am Hassan and I post tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment down this video. Let's start today's video without any further delay. So first of all, open ChatGPT. You may have seen many spell checker tools online on the Google. You can also find them. But what if you want to create a online tool in the ChatGPT? So there is some trick in ChatGPT to create a spell checker. So first of all, you have to type a prompt. It is a very basic and main prompt, and I'm going to give you in the description of this video. And it will ChatGPT will act like a spell checker, or you can customize the prompt to according to your needs. Similarly, you can create more online tools with the help of ChatGPT, but for now we are going for spell checker. First of all, you have to type act like a spell checker in this whole chat and make sure that you have selected a new chat. Don't continue in existing chats. So after that, you have to type I will be giving you the text and you have to spell check it. Also give the, and you can also use emojis. So for the error, I'm going to type this one. I'm going to use this one and also give the error and same right here. And then for the corrected one, you can use the check mark. So for the check mark, we can use the check and you can find it on Google, something like that. So here it is, and correct it and the check again in the tabular format. Don't use markdown, and then you have to type you have to give the results in the below format with the table. So here we are going to give the format. So the format is something like this. We can start with an emoji. So for this you can use a simple smiley. Here it is, and you can type welcome to spell checker, and there may be some type of loading and you can just use it for the attraction. So loading, it will be looking like loading. Then we can add another emoji. Spell checker has analyzed your text, and what you have to do is to copy this, and errors will be right here. So the error can be, you have to give the simple error and with the red icon. So I'm going to red emoji, right, like it. And for example, graduate mistake like this, and then the corrected version you can add it right here, and you can add a green icon. So the corrected version will be graduate. After that, you have to give the corrected text too. So you can just remove the check mark, and the corrected text may be like this: the graduated students gave feedback to the teachers, like this. And then you can use a thumb up to indicate that you have done writing it. And after that, you can just add a simple line, just give your text to me, I will analyze it and correct it, and a simple bye, and you can use an emoji to end with. Here it is. So this is the format we have added right here. So let's see what it gives us now. So it's again just generating the format again, but if I type the some type of spelling mistake paragraph, so it would be like I would like to drink coffee. So let's see. So the errors are would, and it corrected it, the like drink and coffee, and the corrected text like this right here: I would like to drink coffee. So this is just an basic example. You can obviously just enhance it, and you can use some type of grammar mistakes, or you can make it more attractive. For example, if I'm going to add some type of suggestions, so you can also add the suggestions right here. I'm going to just copy the prompt, and we can also add a suggested text right here. So right here we can use some type of emoji. For this I can use something like suggestion. You can use some type of hands, so I think it is better. Suggested tags, for example, this will be an enhanced tag. So right here you can just type this, the paraphrase the corrected tags into good vocabulary, something like this, so that it can just paraphrase it and make it more attractive. Let's see what it gives us now. So guys, here is the result. You can see that The graduate students gave feedback to the teachers, and the suggested text is right here. The students who had completed their studies provided valuable feedback to the educators. So this is just like a feature we have added. You can obviously do the same. You can enhance this tool. You can add more features like this one. Let's find more features. Let's see. I think we can also add the language support right here. So we can just use this one, use this prompt, and we can add a language support. So right here we can just use for loading, and then right here we can type it, ask the user to translate the text into another language, and then we can just right here add another thing, translated text, right, like that. So we can use another hand like this, and there we can type translated text, and in here you have to type you have to tell ChatGPT that you should use the translated text right here. So you have to type use the suggested text and translate it to the user's desired language, which it had selected before. So let's see what it gives us now. So I'm going to use some type of paraphrase to test this. Let's use this one, and we have to paste it. Let's ask ChatGPT to correct it. So I'm going to type, you are not asking for the translated language. Let's see. I think we have to edit the prompt again. So I'm going to just use this prompt again and paste it right here. You can type right here. Also ask the user to translate the suggested text into the user's desired language. Let's see now. Or you can just use another chat to refresh it. I think we have to use another chat. I'm going to copy it again, and then can create new chat, paste it right here. Let's see. So right here I can type, I would like to drink coffee. Let's test this phrase. Okay, you can see that it is now some type of working. It's saying that before we proceed, could you please let me know which language you would like the suggested text to be translated into? This way I can provide you with the accurate translations. And in the translated text, it says as please provide the desired language for translation. So I think we can just use this phrase again. So we can type here translated language to maybe French. Let's see what it gives us now. Translating it, you can see that it is translating into French, and the translated text right here. So in this way you can add more features like this one. You can see, you saw that I added the suggested text, I added translated text, and you have to obviously edit your prompt, and you have to give it some iterations. You have to go through some iterations to enhance your online ChatGPT tool for spell checker. So this is just an example, and definitely you can create your online tool in the ChatGPT, and you can use it in your own chats and without the needs of the online external tools available in the internet. So this was all about today's video. If you like the video, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish the next video. Thank you guys for watching.